happening. A Pro 2090 haulage truck visits the workshop, with the DPF lamp in red, and the MIL lamp on. Why didn't you perform parked regeneration?
I tried to perform parked regeneration, but it did not occur.
The junior technician performs a diagnosis by connecting the DA light tool and finds an error code, P245296. What to do for this DTC, sir?
What is the description for the DTC?
Sir, it says, this error occurs if the substrate is missing inside DPF or DPF sensors inlet and outlet hoses are open.
This could occur due to mechanical as well as electrical issues. You start checking with the electrical components first.
Junior technician starts checking. First, he checks the differential pressure sensor from the outside and finds it to be okay. Then, he checks all the electrical components one by one. The DPF sensor connectors are properly connected and locked into position. Inspects the sensors and connector pins for dust and corrosion. Checks the voltage on the connector pin. Checks the continuity between the connector pins to ECU pins. Checks the resistance between the sensor pins. Checks visually for any leakages in the exhaust manifold. Sir, I checked all the mechanical and electrical parts but didn't find anything wrong. What should I do now?
Please remove the DP sensor and then check.
Sir, the sensor tubes are not okay because there is a minor leakage and restrictions in the tube.
You see this leading to exhaust gas leakage and restriction. As a result, the DP sensor value is out of range and thereby preventing parked regeneration.
He replaces the DP tubes with the updated ones and refixes them. Upstream tube ID 362340. Downstream tube ID 362239. Sir, the problem is now resolved.
Automatic and parked regeneration will not happen if any of these following problems are there on the vehicle. ECU software not updated. Ensure that the ECU software is up to date. DTC is present. Ensure that no DTC is present before performing regeneration. Loose connection of DP tubes, hoses and clamps. Ensure that DP tubes, hoses, clamps are properly tightened. Hose clamps should be fitted on the white tapped area. Physical damage on DP sensor wiring. Ensure that no DP sensor wiring pin back out or cut. DP connector is properly tightened. No physical damage on the DP sensor. Restricted, unclean DP tubes. DP tubes should be cleaned without restrictions. Old DP tubes. Always use updated DP tubes. Incorrect, fluctuating input signals. Ensure that input signal from clutch switch, brake switch, DPF switch is correct and not fluctuating. Use DA light tool for checking. Loose cabin earth cable connection. Ensure that harness grounding is not loose and is connected properly. Check and ensure that continuity and temp trend in T4, T5 and T6 sensors is higher to lower side in normal engine start condition. If not, then check for exhaust gas leakages. Ensure that fuel injection at idle is greater than 5 mg per stroke. At 80 degrees Celsius coolant temperature. If it is lower than 5 mg per stroke, please check the injector trim code's correctness. Ensure that the air mass flow FM sensor at idle is greater than 7 grams per second at 80 degrees Celsius coolant temperature. If it's lower, then please check if HFM sensor leakage, mounting, Any water contamination, air filter condition, it should not be choke condition. Air intake system should not have any obstacles. It should be as per production intended layout. Minor leakage in DP tubes can lead to exhaust gas leakage, affecting regeneration. Also, interchanging of the tubes of the DP sensor will prevent regeneration.